everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about something a little bit different, and that is Vatsim. Vatsim is basically just an online air traffic control for your flight simulator, and you can just practice all your talking just like in real life to the air traffic control and the traffic around you. So all you do is you search up Vatsim in your browser and click the first link, and it'll bring you to this page. It kind of just tells you all about what's going on. You can either be a pilot, air traffic control. Air traffic control takes a little bit longer to learn, but pilot, you also have to do some training exams, but it's not as hard as ATC, so that'd probably be the best option. So after you've read through all this, you can click join here, which will bring you over to this, and then after you've read all this, if you want to, you can go down to the sign up page, and then you just have to go through all this, and then you can register. And once you've registered, there'll be some training, a couple of exams you have to pass before you can actually start, and you have to pass those exams before you can actually connect to the Vatsim server, and that may take a couple of hours after you've completed the exams to be able to actually connect. And another very helpful thing I've found is the SimAware, which is a Vatsim map, and if you click up here on ATC, it shows you where all the air traffic controls currently are in the world. So we've got a couple in America, quite a few, some in Europe, got some in Australia as well. So yeah, this is very helpful if you want to see where you can currently fly, if you want to use air traffic control. So once you've got all this, I'll show you how to start up vPilot, which is after you've gone through everything, there's one more step you need to do, and that is to install vPilot. vPilot is the pilot client that connects Vatsim to your simulator, and basically this is what it looks like in game, and I'll run you through this once we load into the simulator. But all you do is you click download the stable version, and then you can open it up, and I'll show you what it looks like in game now. Okay, so now when you've loaded into the simulator, you've got your aircraft and you've got vPilot open. Another important thing is you always want to spawn your aircraft at a parking or a gate, not on the runway or on an approach, because then ATC will get a bit angry with you. But anyway, so on the actual vPilot, you can see on the top bar we've got settings, flight plan, ident, mode C, connect, and so basically if you just look through settings, you can already see different settings that you can change. And in flight plan, we've got a flight plan that you have to make, so your departure, arrival, all that kind of stuff, and you have to file that once you're connected to the server, so air traffic control can see what you're actually doing and what your intentions are. So we'll move on to the connect, and on the left hand side of vPilot, as you can see, it's a center, approach, departure, tower, ground, all that stuff there, and depending on the person that's controlling the area, there'll either be an approach, departure, or tower, or ground, and once you've connected, there'll be a frequency underneath that. And all you do to connect is just click connect at the top left, and then you want to come down and turn the batteries on and the avionics master on the plane, and that is because that is what we need to tune out frequencies. So on the PFD, on the G1000, the radio frequencies are up the top right hand corner, and you can change them. For example, we'll change this one to 120.5, just for an example, and you can change that by these knobs here. The big one is for the left hand numbers, and the smaller one is for the right hand numbers, and we'll change that to 120.5, and then once you put that in to make it active, you click these arrows here, which switches it over into here, which then means you should be able to hear the other pilots and air traffic control talking to each other, and you can start doing your stuff. And I'll talk you through in the next video on how to get started and how to contact ATC the first time you spawn in and want to get to take off. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.